elephants and monkeys to fight off. Hello and welcome to ColossumCast. You know it by clicking on, after you watch this video, up like there on my site. I think it's up there, just the second one on the bar beside a home. Or you may call it home. What is this? My bag! Ever since I threw this up in the air, I've been looking for it all over!
Let's see what's in my lucky bag. Lucky.
We are reenacting the opening of this thing. You better know you thought that I was confused you. But there's little monster squeeze at me! Where they irresistible! Let's squeeze him. And squeeze his guts out. I don't care what's in this bag. That wraps it up, apparently. I don't know how long it's been.